fill our home with color and flowers. We're adding long vertical greenery and then bushier foliage towards the bottom. We'll use a few antique hydrangea around the base to fill in. You'll notice that the colors are more muted so that the bright pop of color comes from all the gladiolus. It looks like a huge bouquet of gladiolas, but yet the inside is empty. That's the magic of this technique. Because we've created this in a wreath form, there's a limited amount of water supply. We can set that wreath ring on top of an urn, and it would last for about 18 hours. With this urn we've chosen, the wreath sets down inside the urn, so we could add water, and that would give it a longer lasting ability. The perimeter urn is a perfect way for you to utilize your design skill to create magic with an arrangement.